Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. Governor of the Bank of Jamaica, Richard Biles, is expressing major disappointment with the slow adoption of the digital currency, JAMDEX. JAMDEX was introduced as part of a broader push to modernize payments and financial access across Jamaica. But despite early momentum and continued promotion, the currency has struggled to become a routine feature in how people pay and get paid in Jamaica. Cash still dominates large parts of the informal economy, and I quote, "We continue to knock at the door of the commercial banks to get their point-of-sale machines retrofitted. And I would note that as a disappointment that it has taken us years to get the banks to make that transition," end quote, lamented Mr. Biles, who was speaking at the BOJ's recently held quarterly press briefing. President of the Jamaica Coffee Exporters Association and Managing Director of the Mavis Bank Coffee Factory, Dr. Norman Grant, is warning that the coffee industry faces massive job losses unless urgent government support is provided. Speaking to RJR News, Dr. Grant said coffee production is projected to fall to a 35-year low of just 155,000 boxes this year, down from 225,000 boxes in 2024 and 288,000 boxes in 2023. He said the decline has already resulted in losses of some $1.5 billion for the industry's 5,000 farmers. According to Dr. Grant, that reduction has translated into an additional $2.5 billion in losses for coffee farmers. He has again called for the government to provide the $350 million annually requested under the crop rotation and expansion program, which he says the industry has been seeking for the last 5 years. For the trading period of June 2, 2026, the most actively traded securities were One-on-One Educational Services Limited with 129,716,413 units, representing 69.89% of market sales activity. Kentire Holdings Jamaica Limited with 38,403,075 units, representing 20.69% of market sales activity. Wigton Energy Limited with 3,642,892 units, representing 1.96% of market sales activity. Investor activity remained concentrated in education, distribution, and solar energy plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for June 2, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. The US dollar had trading margins reflecting steady liquidity, with the US selling at $157.30 and buying at $158.78. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by $2.36 transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $115.51 and was bought for $113.15. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $8.43 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $214.84 and was bought for $206.41. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, over the next 90 days, small business owners can create a personal credit roadshow that positions their business for growth, resilience, and access to multiple funding channels. We previously discussed the documents you should gather for the first 30 days of the Credit Roadshow. Now let's focus on the next 30 days of the 90-day roadshow. The second month is your relationship building phase. Do not limit yourself to one institution. Schedule meetings with several categories of financiers. Banks remain important partners for working capital, equipment financing, commercial mortgages, expansion loans, business overdrafts. Even if approval does not happen immediately, the relationship matters. Now, credit unions can sometimes offer more personalized engagement, competitive lending terms, SME-focused process, relationship-based decision-making. Many entrepreneurs overlook this category. They should not. These institutions offer understanding to emerging and smaller enterprises. Small business growth is rarely funded through luck. It is usually funded through preparation, relationships, and credibility. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital markets and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.